Iwa, character, part 2. Dear listeners, this is the second part of our teaching on Yoruba moral lessons, character, Iwa, brought to you by the Committee for Advancement of Yoruba Culture and Values, Kekuva, also known as Ìgbìmọ̀ fún Ìtẹ̀síwájú Àṣà àti Ìṣe Yorùbá. Iwa, character, is an important aspect of life of the Yoruba people. It is believed to be the foundation of all things. Yorubas believe that parental and environmental factors contribute to the upbringing of any child. Ilé ni a ti ń kó ẹ̀ṣọ́ rẹ òde, meaning whatever one is at home is what is exhibited outside the home. The consideration of character plays a very crucial role and seen as an important factor in deciding the choice of a lady or a man to marry. To the Yorubas, this is a family affair which goes beyond the control of intending couples. Yoruba people will go as far as investigating the family in which their sons and daughters want to take a spouse before giving any approval. They try to find out, among other things, credibility of the family with regards to character, as well as dominant traits of such a family. Families known for acts of wickedness often have challenges of getting a good suitor for their children. It is believed that each and every family will produce its own type and nothing short. The importance of parental guide, particularly the role of a mother in the Yoruba culture, cannot be underestimated. It is believed that mothers are determinants of a child's behavior. Owó tí ìyá gbọ̀n lọmọ ó ràn. This implies that a child will always manifest the traits of the mother. Yoruba people frowns at any behavioral deficiency which is exhibited by a woman, as women are believed to be custodians of culture and values. With this in view, there is so much expectation from a woman as a life builder. Women with deviant behaviors are sent out of their matrimonial homes, as it is believed that such women will have nothing to offer in the training of the children. Women of such broken homes and marriages are seen as a sort of outcast in our family and also labeled so as to be a deterrent to other women. Obìnrin sọ ìwà nù, ó ní òun ò mú orí ọkọ wáyé, meaning a woman of a questionable character will always complain of ill luck in having a successful marriage. In fairness, Yorubas do not condone acts of irresponsibility of a man in his household, and as such, there is a balance in an attempt to make things go well in a family setup. Usually, settlements are attempted through dialogue between the family of the wife and the husband in times of quarrel. This action is taken before drastic steps are taken to dissolve a marriage that is considered not working. Many relationships and marriages are broken down as a result of bad character of any of the two couples, a man or a woman. Yorubas recognize that a good character, ìwà rere, is a real beauty of a human being. They say, ìwà rere ni ẹ̀ṣọ́ ènìyàn. Good character is a beauty of man. Beauty, therefore, is seen as a second requirement for taking a wife or getting married to her husband. The family, particularly the mother, provides the first moral training for a child. As a Yoruba saying rightly points out, kékeré ni a ti ń pa ẹ̀ka ìrókò, tí ó bá dàgbà tán, ipa ò ní lè ká. It is from the tender growing state that you prune the branches of an iroko tree. When grown, it will go out of control. It is so disheartening that these days Many people do not pay good attention to the upbringing of their children and words. Some go as far as enrolling them in boarding schools at a very tender age or engage the services of a house help with little or no supervision as they are so busy with their careers. It is evident that such negligence and practices can lead to a serious behavioral dysfunction of children. These children grow up to become terrible adults without any form of moral standard. They are referred to as alaileko or alaigbeko, someone without good morals or someone who has refused to take moral trainings. This is our second teaching on Iwa. Join us for the third part of this teaching. Thank you so much for listening. Bye for now.